Hello students, good morning. This class is for class 4 social studies class, and today we are going to do chapter 18, our goals, rights and duties, question and answer and remaining exercises. Students, now we will do first question of the exercise. Tick the correct option. Indian Constitution is a dash document written. The word dash means independent, sovereign. Number C, during dash, fundamental rights of Indian citizens are suspended. National emergency. Now we will do question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. All of you turn your page. Number A, our constitution was enforced on 26 January 1950. Number B, the set of rules according to which our government runs is called constitution. Number C, every citizen of India has fundamental rights. Number D, directive principle gives guidelines to the state government for the welfare of the citizens. Number E, in India there are many political parties. Number F, the voting is done by secret ballot. Now students, come to question number 3. Match the following columns. 26 January will match with number 3, Republic Day. Political party will match with symbol. Right to follow any religion will match with 18 years. To provide equal wages for equal work will match with directive principle. Protecting our national property will match with fundamental duty. Okay, after this we will do question answers. Answer the following question. Your first question is, what is a constitution? You will get the answer on page 105. Take out page 105 here. This is your first question's answer. The Indian Constitution is a written document. It lays down the power of the government. The Indian Constitution also defines the rights and duties of the people of India. Okay, this is your first answer. Now, question number B. What do you mean by democratic republic? This answer you will get on page number 106. Okay. On page number 106, here on the second paragraph, India has a democratic republic form of government. Every person above the age of 18 has the right to vote. This is democratic republic, means every person who is above 18-year-old has the right to vote. This is answer of question number B. Now, question number C. Name any two fundamental rights and duties. You have to write two fundamental rights and two fundamental duties. Here on page number 106, fundamental rights are here. So many are given. From there you can write any two. And in the next page, fundamental duties are there. According to your wish, you will write any two. Here 3 are given. Okay. Now come to question number C. Question number D. What are directive principle? Answer D you will get on page number 107. Here, some important directive principles are to provide work for all men and women, to organize village panchayat, to provide equal wages for equal work. Understood? Now, your next question. What is an election? What is an election? Answer number E. Here, on page number 109, you will get answer number E on page number 109, election. You will write it from here. The election is the process of electing a leader by voting. Okay. Now you will do question number F. What is the function of the election commission? Function of election commission, you will get this answer on page number 108. Here, this full paragraph is your answer. Okay. So students, you understood this. You will do this much in your copy and show it to me today. This much for today's class. Have a good day. Bye-bye.